Hello students, I am Alka Sharma and I am going to introduce you 3-digit numbers. Children, in your previous classes, you have already learned the number from 1 to 100. Now we are going to study about the numbers from 100 to 1000. In previous class, we have learned 1 and 2-digit numbers. The smallest 1-digit number is 0 and the greatest 1-digit number is 9. The smallest 2-digit number is 10 and the greatest 2-digit number is 99. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. See the tables starting from 101. Let us write the numbers up to 200. Similarly, we can write the rest of the numbers up to 999 means 999. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. I repeat, the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and the greatest 3-digit number is 999. Children, today we are going to study a very interesting topic, number names. What is a number name? The numerals written in words is called number names. I repeat, the numerals written in words is called number names. Children, you have already studied 2-digit number names in previous video. Now we are going to learn 3-digit number names. Let us see 3-digit number names. Now, children, I will tell you how to write the number name of a given 3-digit number. The first number is, first we write the place value of each digit on the top of the number. That is ones, tens, 100. Now, how you will write the number name? So, starting from the hundreds place, see the number in hundreds place. That is 4. So, we will write 4 and then its place, that is 100. Followed by the last 2 digits, that is 25. Now, the number names that is written as 425. Number in one of the place value is 0. Then let's see how we write them in words. See the numeral again. First, write the place value of each digit on the top of the number ones, tens, hundred. Again, start from the leftmost digit, that is on hundreds place. The number on 100 place is 8. So, we will write 8, then its place value, that is hundreds, followed by the last two digits, that is 2. We will write 2. Now the number name we will written as 802. Now see the next numeral, that is, again first write the place value of each digit on the top of the number, ones, tens, hundred. Now how will you write the number name? So starting from the hundreds place, see the number that in at 100 place, that is 6. Now write 6, then its place 100, followed by the next two digits, that is 80. So the number name will be 680. Children, you know how to write 3-digit numbers in words. Now let us see how to identify the numbers given in word. The first number name is 417. See the first example here, children. The trick is first write down the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, and then you can see the number 400 means the digit in the 100 place is 4 and the digit in tens place and ones place are read together, that is 17. So the number is written as 417. Our next example is 207. First, write the places ones, tens and hundreds. $200 means the digit in the 100 place is 2 and the digits in the tens and ones place are 0 and 7. So the number is written as 207 means 207. More example we are taking here to identify the number given in words clearly. Our number is 750. First, we will write the places ones, tens and hundreds. 700 means the digit in the 100 place is 7 and the digit in tens and ones place is 50. So the number is written as 750 means 750. Now children, our next topic is pattern. A pattern is something that repeats over and over again. I repeat, a pattern is something that repeats over and over again. Pattern is a series of objects or numbers which repeat in a pre-decided manner. Look at the given pattern. Guess the next picture required to complete the pattern. There are two objects in the pattern. They appear in a particular sequence. First, two circles, then one triangle, then two circles, then one triangle, then two circles, guess the next object. So, the next object must be the triangle. Let us do second activity. Find out picture to complete the pattern. There are again two objects. First, star, then smiley, then star, then smiley, then star, then smiley. What will be the next? So, the next object must be the star. In a number pattern, the number changes in the same way each time. For example, by adding number 1 each time. Look at the sequence of number. Can you guess the next number? Start at 207. The next number is 208. Means 207 plus 1 is equal to 208. Same as 208 plus 1 is equal to 209. 209 plus 1 is equal to 210. 210 plus 1 is equal to 211. Keep adding 1 each time. Next number will be 212, 213, 214 and so on. When you understand the pattern, you can easily write the next number to complete the pattern. Let's see the other example. Look at the number line. Start with number 149. So here, on adding 1, we get the number as 150. Now adding 1 to 150, we get 151. Adding 1 to 151, we get 152. Adding 1 to 152, we get the number 153. Similarly, we get 154, 155, 156 and so on by adding 1 to the given number each time. Let's see how to get sequence number by adding number 2 each time. Example is given here. What do you do to 320 to get 322? We will add 2 to 320 to get 322. Next number is 334. Again, we will add 2 to 322 to get 324. Add 2 to 324 to get 326. Add 2 to 326 to get 328. Similarly, we get 330, 332, 334 and so on by adding 2 to the given number each time. Look at the next example. Let's see the other example. First number is 725 and second number is 727. Means 725 plus 2 is equal to 727. Same as 727 plus 2 is equal to 729. 729 plus 2 is equal to 731. 731 plus 2 is equal to 733. Keep adding 2 each time. Next number will be 735, 737, 739 and so on. Let's see the other example by adding number 5 each time. How to get sequence number by adding number 5 each time? Look at the number line. Start with number 650. What do you do to 650 to get 655? We will add 5 to 650 to get 655. Now, what do you do to 655 to get 660? We will add 5 to 655 to get 660 and 660 plus 5 is equal to 665. So, the rule is to add 5. Keep adding 5 to the number to find the missing numbers. These are 670, 675, 680 and so on. Next example is 425, 430, 435. Again, we will look the sequence of numbers. First number is 425 and second number is 430. Means 425 plus 5 is equal to 430. Same as 430 plus 5 is equal to 435. 435 plus 5 is equal to 440. Keep adding 5 each time. Next number will be 445, 450, 455 and so on. Let's see how to get sequence number by adding 10 each time. Look at the number line. Start with 200. So here on adding 10, we get the number 210. Now adding 10 to the next number, we will get the number 220. 220 plus 10 is equal to 230. Similarly, we get 240, 250, 260. Next example is what do you do to 503 to get 513? We will add 10 to 503 to get 513. Means 513 plus 10 is equal to 523. 523 plus 10 is equal to 533. 533 plus 10 is equal to 543. And so on, we will get 543, 553, 563 and so on. Now in next topic, we will learn the concept of expanded form and standard or short form. Expanded form. The expanded form of a number can also be written as the sum of the digits along with its place in the number. I repeat, the expanded form of a number can also be written as the sum of the digits along with its place in the number. Remember, in expanded form, we have to put the sign of plus between each numbers to indicate the expandation. I repeat, in expanded form, we have to put the sign of plus between each number to indicate the expandation. Now, we will understand how to write the expanded form. Let us see how we write the expanded form of a number. Our first number is 523. Here, digit 3 is in the ones column. Digit 2 is in the tens column and digit 5 is in the hundreds column. Hence, the place value of 5 digit is 500, which is equal to 500. The place value of digit 2 is 2 tens, which is equal to 20. And the place value of digit 3 is 1, which is equal to 3. Now, let us write this number as the sum of the place value of each digit. Thus, we get 500 plus 20 plus 3, which is the expanded form of 523. When the number is in its expanded form, we can write it in the standard form by the placing the digit in the respective column of the place value chart. Here, 500 plus 20 plus 3 is called the expanded form, and 523 is called as short form. Our next number is 125. 125 has 100 and 2 tens and 5 ones. Here, the place value of digit 1 is 100. The place value of digit 2 is 20. And the place value of digit 5 is 5. We write this number as 100 plus 20 plus 5, which is equal to 125. Here, 100 plus 20 plus 5 is called as expanded form, and the number 125 is called as short form. Children, what have you learned in this video? First, you have learned numbers from 101 to 1000. Second, you can use the concept of place value to express given numbers in words. Third, you can also identify the figure for the number given in words. Fourth, you have learned how to get the pattern. Fifth, you have learned to find out expanded form. I hope you have understood the topics very well. Now you have to do this worksheet in your notebook. Thank you and see you in the next class.